The SGI-100BT is a big step forward for Dakota Digital, building upon the extremely popular SGI-5E speedometer interface, the SGI-8E Tach interface, and the DSL series of diesel Tach interfaces. The SGI-100BT combines these three products into one easy-to-use unit. With a footprint of 2 inches by 4 inches and just 1 inch thick, this little problem solver is easy to hide in the vehicle interior. The inboard terminal strips and easy-to-read printing make installation a breeze, and the built-in programming switches allow all calibration to be dialed in quickly. Simply add 12-volt and ground connections, and the unit's ready to go to work. The number of functions packed into the SGI-100 is impressive in itself, but we took things a step further and developed our own mobile app. With the ability to sync your smartphone or tablet directly to the unit, programming, setup, and troubleshooting have never been so easy. Tweaking the speedometer reading or sending a test signal to the Tach can be done with a simple touch of your screen. Check out the Dakota Digital Accessories app wherever you get your mobile applications. Let's take a look at what the SGI-100BT is capable of. First, it can modify or split a vehicle speed signal. For example, we changed the rear tire size on this 98 Chevy pickup, and now the speedometer is slow. The SGI-100BT was wired in line between the VSS source and speedometer to correct the signal. Adjustment range is incredible, enough to solve nearly all pulse count incompatibility issues. Additionally, if you've added a new device which requires vehicle speed such as cruise control or aftermarket EFI, the SGI-100BT can split the signal to feed multiple gadgets. The same can be done on the tachometer side. Back to the 98 Chevy, the V6 was replaced with a V8, which caused the Tach to read higher than actual engine RPM. We connected the ECM Tach signal to the SGI Tach input with the output going to the cluster, and then set 8 cylinders in, 6 cylinders out. If your project vehicle doesn't have spark plugs, we've incorporated the features from our popular DSL Tach interface too. Read signal inputs from a crank trigger, alternator W terminal, or add our available sensor to read flywheel teeth. Several outputs are available depending on what your gasoline tachometer is looking for. The diesel Tach functions can be used in conjunction with the speed signal features, so you can get both stock gauges up and running with your diesel conversion. Dakota Digital's main focus is older domestic vehicles, so we may not have all the answers for some of the more off-the-wall conversions. Installation may require a bit of legwork on your end to determine what signals are available and what your cluster requires, but given the right parameters, the SGI-100 can help you connect the dots.